have another little uni vlog. I'm going to film today and tomorrow because these are the days that I go into uni, so it's going to be a bit more entertaining. So I'm currently driving. I couldn't film anything this morning because my partner was asleep, so that's fine. I also may or may not have gotten a cheeky ice chocolate. This time they gave me a straw. Perfect. I drink this like it's like water. I like scull it. But today I just have one lecture, and that is for my forensics class. So I actually really enjoyed it. It's about lab accreditation and quality systems, and my uni is the only uni in Australia to do it. So I also had to take my nails off because I have a lab tomorrow, and I just had nails falling off, but I don't think a lab would be very great if I had nails on underneath the gloves. I think that would be really irritating. So oh wait, we've got tunnels. Shout out to my mum for paying for my tunnels. Thank you. Oh, love a little beep action. I am so sorry. I have been the worst person alive to start filming. Quite literally have hardly filmed anything from today. I've just been so busy. Everything has been chaotic. I'm currently back home from uni. My plan was to go to the library and do some work, but my Mecca package was being sent and it got sent to the wrong address, even though I called the people this morning and they said it'd be sent to like my actual address. But anyway, I got my Mecca, got my rhode. Everything is all sorted. Excuse all the noise in the background. Like I said, I'm making my lunch. I'm having leftover pasta, so I'm cooking some pasta now. Oh my goodness, she is just too cute. Say hi. Say hi. I actually cannot deal with her. She is so perfect. She's actually my child, not even joking. But anyway, so I have a bit of uni to do. I had my lab. Let's not talk about my lab. Let's not talk about it. It had its ups and downs, but I've completed it. I have a lab report to do. I think that's due in like 2 weeks though, so let's be for real. I will be leaving that to the last minute. But I do have stuff to do for this week for classes. I'm just gonna show this because we have never had to do this with the lab coats before. Never had to do this before, and like I think it's like something new. I don't know, but like it's telling us how to clean it. I'm like, we got taught this last year. I thought I just had to share that. But then I'm also like, they're telling us to like reuse it. And I'm like, why am I going to reuse it if I put this in and it needs to be washed because it's dirty? Contamination? Okay, please ignore this camera angle. I'm trying to figure something out, but I'm gonna try this rhode out. I'm so excited. This looks gorgeous. Looks so gorgeous. I got the blush in Sleepy Girl. I don't know. Oh, I don't have any makeup on, if you couldn't tell already. So I'm gonna put some on. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I'm scared of how this is gonna look. Do I want to brush? I don't like using my hands. I have sensory issues. Or is this gonna look like my acne is more red? Okay, like I can see the vision. Whoa, that's way too close to you guys. Sorry. Sorry. I can definitely see a difference. A little bit. I wish this was with makeup though. It's cute. I'm glad I got her. She fits in my massive blush. Like, this is my blushes. Only some of them. Yeah. Okay, I'm really excited for this one. I'm gonna try this one first because I think I won't like it when I'm not wearing makeup. But what's this one called? Salty Tan. Oh. Oh. Oh, I like this more than I thought I would. This lighting is absolutely horrible. Now we're trying this Jelly Bean. I'm so excited because I haven't had sparkly like lip gloss in so long. Oh my god, this one smells so good. What does this one smell like? They're the same. This one like doesn't have a scent, I don't think, because I don't smell anything. Okay. This smells like lollies. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. Anyway, I am probably gonna lay in bed for a bit, and then I actually think while I'm laying in bed I'm gonna start editing this video. So do that for a bit and then we'll do some uni.